the financial starting point, ano? So, meron tayong several tools dito that you can do on your own, ano? Kasi I think dapat ito ay assignment na ginagawa. Parang actually if I do the webinars, parating ito yung mga nauuna kasi kailangan talagang ma-assess mo muna kung nasaan ka financially. So, 4 yung tools natin diyan. Mimo, SALN, yung financial health check at saka yung personal finance diagnostics, no. So ito yung link at saka yung QR code natin para sa money in, money out. Tapos ito naman yung sa SALN, no, na um, QR code at saka link natin. And then meron tayo sa financial health check, no? This is the financial health check. Sa financial health check naman, very quick lang makukuha mo yung kung ikaw ba ay financially sustainable, secure, or nasa financial startup, no? At ang lumalabas dito, 61% ng mga nagtitake ng financial health check namin ay nasa startup stage, which is for me, very low yan, no? Mga nasa 40s na, 50s na, pero financial startup pa rin. Financially secure ay 36% ng mga nag-take, no? And yung financially sustainable ay 3% lamang. Okay? Sa personal finance diagnostics naman, ito yung QR code at saka yung link. So I leave it to you kung paano nyo yan gagawin, ano? I mean, gawin nyo siya on your own para you determine ano yung iyong situation financially, ano yung iyong health, no, financial health in general para mas makapag-decision ka in terms of financial planning for your child.